Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing? It's Monday. Who fucking knows what day it is? The 21st of November of 2022. We are a week and a half away from Advent of Code Time. We didn't stream this weekend because I was at a funeral. We're also drinking Christmas ale again from Bell's. So cheers to that. Blah 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 blah. Fuck. What else was I going to talk about? I don't know. It's Monday. The plan for today's stream is to not leak credentials. But we're going to be dealing with a bunch of credentials, so that'll be fun. And hopefully the Oracle Cloud Console doesn't dox me, but don't know about that one either. So hoping we don't show my phone number and address. So I got a lot to look out for this stream. But the plan for today's stream is to take the Discord bot, which Shaz the Robot put together and has been great, really cool part of our Discord. If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord, bang Discord, or click the link below. But yeah, Shaz made a bot, and Heroku killed their free tier, and Shaz was running it in free tier, and I don't want Shaz to pay money on my streams, so we are going to try and port it to Oracle Cloud, which provides free VMs. I am not sponsored in any way, although if you're an Oracle representative and you want to sponsor my stream, please reach out to my business email. Anyway, yeah, so we're going to try and set up some stuff on Oracle Cloud because it's free. That's literally the only reason. And because I want to try it out and see just how corporate and or shitty Oracle Cloud is. It'll be fun. Oh no, my screen just blinked. Hopefully we will be able to get through the stream and not have hardware problems. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into things. But first, we must replay this notification for Beldathis, who didn't set a message. Usually you set a funny message. Thank you for the resub at 25 months. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's see. Fixter Jake was first today. JJMC is also here. Beldathis is here, who says Bunny. Maybe that was meant to be your sub message. Maybe it was supposed to be Bunny, but it didn't come through. Bunny. There we go. I'm TTS now. The Andre General. Hello, hello. We've also got Morsha. How you doing? Hello, hello. Walker Codes is here. Hope the weekend was drama free. It was open source drama free, but not family drama free, which is great. Love when that happens. But yeah, Shaz is also here. Hello, hello. How you doing? Real Dr. Ruko, welcome to the stream. I'm lost for 99.99% of the stream. Well, surely more than, 1 in 1,000 or wait, 1 in 10,000. 10,000? I don't know how to math. Why is that such a hard math for me right now? 0.0001. 10, 100,000, 10,000. Okay. Right? Fuck. Why is this math so hard? Move the decimal over 4 times. That's 10,000. Okay. Good. No, I was right with my initial thing. But surely you'll understand more than that. Archer General. I already said hi to you. Did I say hi to you? I did say hi to you. Hello again. Oh my god. I've been playing Pokemon Violet off stream because I played the first bunch on stream and I was just like really sad with the quality of the game, and I feel like that was reflecting in my stream content, so I was just like, ugh, I don't want to stream this. The game is fucking garbage. The graphics are terrible, the frame rate is terrible, it doesn't look like a good game. It's not polished in any way, but it's kind of fun. So I've been playing a lot off stream, but I feel like it would not make good stream content because a lot of it is just me running around. There's no dialogue. There's very little story, but I don't know. It's fun. I'm enjoying it despite the shitty graphics, but I don't think I'm gonna stream it. Is what I'm telling everyone. Chad says, Chat in preparation. I apologize for every line of code I've ever written. Forgive me. Also, I'll be mostly busy but watching. I have to build a front-end/backend Gmail clone with Postgres. Oh, fun, fun. Yeah, well, here's the thing, Shaz. All code is garbage, so your code is just code. And I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's not terrible. Walker says, as an ex-Herokai, is that what they call themselves? The stream is both completely justified and sad. Yeah. Picture Jake says, I've been having issues with my USB devices disconnecting and reconnecting after a few seconds. Okay. I feel like it's not just me, but I feel like all of my technology is haunted today. Every technical device that I've touched today, except for my car, that one's been fine. Every other piece of technology that I've touched today, something has like glitched or gotten stuck or been like very confused. Oh, I guess in my 3DS. My 3DS has been fine too. GXRJ, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But like my phone rebooted itself for no reason this morning. My Firefox has been just like hanging for no reason. I was having trouble with my VMs set up this morning. My screen is flickering. Everything's falling apart. Marcia says, missed you. I've been in bed like 90% of the day for the past while asleep in half a day or more. Oh no. Oh no. Well, if you're doing stuff, I guess that's something. Real Dr. Ruga, thank you for the reset with Prime at 2 months, which gets you a fancy new badge, and you can learn all about this keyboard and why I use it. The TLDR is it looks cool, and someone sent it to me. And by someone, I mean Kinesis sent it to me. I don't actually struggle with any ergonomics issues, but I hear it's really good for that. And a bunch of people that have bought the keyboard have been very happy with their shoulders, back, and wrists after switching to this keyboard. It's also very easy, but yeah, you can check out the video where I go into details. Andre Costa, hello, welcome, welcome. Dr. Mario Q says, yo, Oracle, I use it. Their free tier offer is very generous. Yeah, that's why we're going to try and use it today. I'm going to put aside my past grievances with Oracle, and we're going to see how this shit goes. But on says, that was weird. Some notification went directly after I clicked the button. Weird. Chris writes code says, bang AWC video bot. Whoops. There we go. Boxed. I mean, you're attached to all the commits, so it's not like I'm giving away anything that isn't already out there. But yes, AWC video bot on GitHub, written by Shaz. Last updated a year ago. We're going to try and revive this, get it running in Oracle Cloud, and then hopefully automate it with Terraform. I don't quite know the plan that I'm going to do to make this happen, but I have some ideas. We'll look into it and see what it looks like and figure it out. But yeah. Yeah. Amazon hates him. He found this one trick for 5 nines of confusion. Yeah, but it was 4 nines of confusion. It's garbage, so I've been playing on. So that's the other thing. The first like fucking hour of the game is kind of terrible. Like there's nothing happens for like the first hour of the game until you leave. And this is minor spoilers. It takes you through like all of this is what a Pokemon is. The whole fucking haven't been playing this for 20 goddamn years. 20? 25? However many years the Pokemon's been out. The tutorial section of the game. Once you get past the tutorial, it's just like, here, have fun, do whatever you want. And that's where the game starts to get fun. But I basically just played the tutorial on stream and was really fed up with the graphics and quality and just like general glitchiness and failings at game design 101 problems. And I was grumbly, so it was not fun. It's not the first hour that I streamed it was not fun. I actually don't give a shit about Pokemon lore. I feel like the lore is always bad in Pokemon games. Oh, but Gen 5 and N and Getsus and blah blah blah. I can't tell you fuck all about Getsus. I know nothing about Getsus. I don't give a shit. I just want to play the game. So I don't give a shit about lore. But at least if there's like dialogue and stuff, I can make that fun stream content whether or not the dialogue's fun. Which like the tutorial section, yeah, I could find some fun witty comments about the dialogue. Like there's a line where you're definitely doesn't look like a school-aged girl says a line about pegging you, and it's like, okay, well that's certainly a thing. That wasn't exactly the words that I would have used in that conversation, but sure, okay. But if there's no dialogue, if you're just wandering around the wilderness catching Pokemon, there's not much to commentate on. There's not much. I can't make it fun. I can't make it fun for the audience. I can make it fun for me, but it doesn't make good content. So that's probably why I'm not going to stream. Alvin Ron, hello, hello. Good to see you again. More ATI, hello, hello. Welcome back. Stonkfish says, hi, Dad. I mean, Anthonk. How you doing, Stonkfish? Marsha says, I assume I'm in the bed so much because of sleep apnea. I don't know. I think the pulmonary office people are supposed to call me and see about getting CPAP again. Oh, yeah, I hear that is useful. Your main branch isn't protected? Yeah, fuck that, whatever. Diagenic, hello, hello. How you doing? Welcome back. RTI says, I'm impressed by Oracle Cloud free tier VMs. The only weirdness is that they rip UFW out of Ubuntu and replace it with their IP tables. I don't know what that is, and I hope I don't have to care about it. I know what IP tables is, but also, yeah. Remember, it's a game for kids. Millennials are going to kill you. Cyberbenny says, I don't like keyboards with macro keys on the side. I don't use these at all. I wish they weren't there. Sometimes I accidentally press them and I'm like, fuck, what did I do? Yeah. Their difficulty setting should be, in which gen did you start playing? Right? Right? How much grinding do you want to do, Gen 1? Acetylene, hello, hello. How you doing? Welcome back. It's been a while. Good to see you again. Firewall bad. IP table's good. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Okay, so I think here's the problems. Here's the problems that we have to get through today. AWC with the old bot. Of course that wouldn't work. Shouldn't be that inebriated after one couple of sips of beer. UFW is Ubuntu's friendly firewall wrapper for managing IP tables. Oh. Who needs a firewall anyway? Just unplug your network? I mean, basically, right? Acetylene says, you as well. Hope things are well for you. Yeah, it's going fairly well. Okay, so... Right. Babby plans. Okay, so this is what I think I want to get... the plan for stream today is, one, spin up any VM in Oracle Cloud manually. Man, do we bother trying to use Docker or do we just fucking install directly? Problem is I kind of need to like design a deploy system for this, which sucks. Acetylene, thank you for the 2 gifted subs. I don't have any buttons, so you'll just have to imagine. Welcome to Subtum, Dr. Mario Q, and ABCDEFG. Welcome, welcome. And thank you for the gift subs, really appreciate it. Okay, you ready for, I don't have buttons, but you ready for a real off-brand thing about me today? I'm wearing pants. The fuck is this? Who is this imposter? Who is this imposter that's wearing pants? I left the house today. I went to the doctor's office. And I didn't I mean, I usually have no fucks to give about just wearing shorts year round, but I feel like going to the doctor's office was like, there's enough strangers here that I have to interact with more than once that I should put pants on. But yeah, so I'm wearing pants. This is a rarity. This like never happens. But yeah, imagine even wearing pants, right? Rip the shirt. Yeah. Daz What's Up says, just spend half an hour creating a list in C. Really makes you appreciate Python. Yeah, I don't know why anyone would write C. USMC, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. That'd be real awkward if you weren't. I mean, it would have been shorts at least, but yeah. Pandoxer, hello, hello, how you doing? He's also wearing cowboy boots? Nah, I'm wearing flip-flips. Since your shirt doesn't have buttons, will you start unbuttoning your pants? I mean, I could, but there's like no point. Other than I'd forget and stand up, and no one wants that. Okay, anyway, spin up any VM in Oracle Cloud manually. Then there's kind of 2 ways that we could run this service. Well, I want to run it probably as a systemd unit. Run service as systemd unit, question mark. Dogger. Install virtual. Script to full periodically? Question mark. I don't know. We gotta design a system for this. So the Oracle VMs, we're gonna try the ARM ones because they give you more compute. Try ARM ones because more compute. This complicates things a little bit. Because ARM, lol. Mostly because if we have to build a Docker image, we don't have ARM builders, so we're gonna have to cross build. Docker would have to cross build, and maybe that's fine. If we also just like have it set up everything automatically, then we don't have a problem. But anyway, that's kind of step 2. And then step 3 is automate this somehow with Terraform. I have my own personal Terraform Cloud account, which I would probably just add Oracle creds to write the Terraform in open source, and then submodules lil. I think that's the plan for today. I think that's how we're gonna try and approach this. And there's a lot of question marks and a lot of I don't fucking know what I'm doing. So hopefully that goes well. And the faster I get done, the faster I can play Pokemon. Why are you using French question marks? Is that a French thing to put a space before them? I don't know. Mikey Man says pants is better than no pants. What? No, that's super false. That's super false. That's like saying shirts are better than no shirts. USMC chick says who wear pants? See? In public? I mean... I feel like if nudity weren't so frowned upon, that it would be great to just never wear clothes. But we live in a society. We live in a society. Anyway, that's a big list. Yeah. What was the last part? Finish it quickly so you can do what? Go play Pokemon. USMC chick says, how do you know what to put on the list? I'm trying to start my project and I don't know what to put on the list. This is a guess. This is literally the only thing that I know that we're going to do. The rest of this is shmeep shmomp. I don't know. We'll see what the easiest thing to get this shit working is. Grandpa's iPad. Hello, hello. 217th. What does that mean? Is that the number of stream for this year? That can't be right. That would also be oddly specific to know the answer to that. No, this is stream 143. Where would you keep your phone? You could just carry it. So I ran a marathon in 2020 right before the world shut down, got COVID during it, and I carried my phone like this the whole race. I had my water bottle in this hand and my phone in this hand, and I gripped my phone so hard that I cracked it down the middle. So maybe not the best idea. I have a lanyard on my phone, no pockets needed. Oh, I get it. 217, like you're not first. You're very late to the stream. Hello, welcome. Nudity is awkward because you don't have pockets and stuff. I mean, women don't have pockets, so what's the difference? Like, have you seen women's pants? No wonder they have purses. They gotta carry all their shit around. I'd carry a purse too if I had women's pants. You don't need phones anymore because you already know what everyone's butt looks like. True. Eighth wall, hello. Welcome. Firmly grip, yes. Plus it was obviously the 143rd. Yes. Bring back the fanny pack. I have pockets. My dress even has pockets. Your dress has pockets? Oh, man. Tell all my ex-girlfriends to get those pocket pants or pocket dresses. Okay, anyway. I am logged into Oracle Cloud, but before we get started, we're going to do open source since last time, since I do have a handful of things to look at or to talk about. We did this on stream. This one. My God. I'm fucking sick of getting import lib metadata bullshit, so I just said fuck Python 3.7, and Flake8 is now 3.8.1 only, which allowed me to delete all of this compatibility stuff. And people can stop whinging about this less than character here. Because import lib metadata 5 breaks Flake8, and I'm just fucking sick of it. So anyway, we're just gonna drop old 3.7. It's 6 months early, but who cares? So I'm sure someone cares, but whatever. The other thing is I went to look into prepping the releases for PyCode style and PyFlakes, and I found a regression in PyCode style, which is this code here triggers an error here, here, and here, even though it should only trigger one here. And so then I made 2 patches to fix it. This is the first patch, which is it tracks whether we've seen a colon or not, and then uses that to figure out whether we're done with function parameters. It also allowed me to... Oh wait, this is the second PR. Where's the first PR? No, this is the first PR. Oh yeah. So it allows you to figure out whether we've seen a colon or not, to prevent this from reporting 3 times and only reporting it once. It also reported 4 times here, so there was an additional bug. But then that didn't fix all the problems, and so I had to figure out whether we're inside of a right brace step, and I don't know, just a bunch of fucking manual tokenization and blah blah. The other one is, while I was working on that, I noticed that there's some random Python 2 code here, so I killed this. And that's open source since last time. Okay, Oracle Cloud. Now we get to fuck around with this. Ethwell says, dealing with one of my PRs, getting 6 comments from a coworker in a time zone on the other side of the world. Gotta have 24-hour feedback loops. Oh, I hate that. I hate that so much. You also remember the video from a festival where the guy has taken a fanny pack and security makes them open it. I have not seen that. That is certainly an idea. Okay, anyway. All right, so we're gonna try and spin up any Oracle VM cloud manually. Cool. I assume that I just click at a button and we go on a journey. That's gonna be the plan. Have you seen any colons lately? Marsha, I feel like you're trying to get bonked. But the answer is no. Gives new meaning to the term fanny pack. Yeah, if you're British. Okay, so there's all sorts of shit going on here. I don't think I want to use Oracle Linux, ideally. How do configure things? Oh my God, there's so much shit here. Java GC Pause says, are you drinking wine? No, I am drinking... Come on. Fucking focus. There we go. I am drinking Bell's Christmas Ale, which is a Scotch ale. But welcome back. Hello, hello. Why would I be bonked? Marsha. Okay, so... Availability domain. I don't give a fuck. I do not want to use Oracle Linux. Sure. We'll use Ubuntu. Sure. Select. Cool. Sounds legit. Shape. Change the shape. Funny way to say that. Oh, Ampere is their ARM stuff. Okay. That sounds like what I want. Wow, I can have 58 gigs of RAM? I don't need that. 6 will be enough. 6 will be more than enough. Okay, that seems fine. Networking. Sign a public IPv4. Yeah, we're gonna SSH into this, so that seems fine. Let us paste a public key. That'll be the easiest way to do this. Oop, that would have been bad. SSH idrsa.pub, not catting the private key. God damn, that's a big ass private key or public key. Blop, 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 blurp, blurp, blurp. Bloop. Boot volume. Actual device that contains the image used to boot the compute instance. Yeah, that seems fine. Fucking send it. What could go wrong? Von Dutchy, hello, hello. Got my first contract today. Nice, congrats. Phoebes, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Sorry if I missed this, but why did you choose Oracle? Because their free tier is free and has free. Because it's free. That's literally why. And I wanted to try it out. So, two things at the same time. I'm sure there's other free versions of things that are always on and give me enough CPU hours to run continually for a month. But, yeah. That's why I'm doing it. They should release a Weeb version of Ubuntu named Ubuntu. So you joke about that. I'm going to Google this off screen because I know it already exists. Please don't show anime titties on the stream. Okay, yeah. But yes, it is already a thing. You can already use Ubuntu. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. What's this? My operating system? Yeah, it's already a thing. 58 is bigger than 6. It's obviously better. Yeah, but we don't need that. You can allocate your free cores RAM disk to 1 VM or cost several VMs. Oh, that's nice. Speaking of colons, this is a disgusting way to zip 2 lists into a list of maps in Terraform. Yes, I have done this before. I have done this before as well. Yeah. Dr. Mark Q says, my deployment strategy on FreeOracle is container watchtower plus private Docker registry, auto deploy, no Terraform needed. I don't know what that means, but maybe we'll build something similar. Augustina, hello, hello. How you doing? I could have gone without that. Without Ubuntu, yeah. Marcia says, I need more anime that's cute and not lewd. Like, isn't that the whole point of anime? Is because, like, you can't see real titties in Japan, so they make cartoon titties instead? Isn't that the whole point? Am I wrong in this? Because that's been my preconceived notion. Isn't there a site with anime girls for Linux distros? No, it's anime girls in programming books. I think it's on GitHub, so it should be safe to put on stream. Should be safe to put on stream. Yeah, these seem mostly safe for work. Oh, that one's definitely not. Yeah, I can't show that one on stream. Most of these are fine though. Anyway, here's the website for those of you that are curious. Wolfred, hello, hello. Oh, we're playing Type Racer. Easy mode or hard mode? What are we doing? Cartoon drivers are also censored? Are they though? Easy mode? Alright, sounds good. One Type Racer coming up. Oh, I'm not even logged in. Type Racer. Copy paste the password. Yes. Sign in. No, I don't want your premium tier bullshit. Make sure to click join. Otherwise, you won't be able to race. I posted the link in chat. Oh my god, this one sucks. What the fuck? Why did we start off with the longest goddamn section ever? Jesus. Get bigger so I can actually see my text input. Thank you. Yes, okay. Jesus fucking Christ. God damn. Oh, I beat Marsha! Yes. Let's fucking go. God damn, that was a long one. We can always do 2 though, so we'll do 1 more. Screenshot this chat. I beat Marsha. Started 15 seconds late. Had to enable a new no script thing. Oh, okay. Okay. I guess I'm still WTF over starting a popular anime with a friend and seeing the first 5 minutes an upskirt of this guy's little sister, and she's like 12. No, but she's actually like 200 years, but her body hasn't aged more than 12. Or whatever the bullshit that they usually use in anime. Wee Tommy, hello, hello. Marsha is using 1 hand? What? But holy shit, that I think is the longest type racer I have seen in quite a while. I was incredibly inconsistent, but still ended up with 116, so I'm taking that as a win. But yeah. Okay, 1 more. Because we always do at least 2. Watch the next one be like 15 words and it's just like, done. But no, probably not. That's not how it goes. Also, I'm pretty sure it doesn't count your words per minute, even if you start late, Marsha. Pretty sure it counts it from when you start. I think that's how it works. So I think I still won. Copy up. Also, I had a bunch of punctuation, which, fuck punctuation. That shit's the worst. Ah! Yeah, fine. I see how it is. Win 63, fuck me. Wee Tommy, GG on that too. All right, well, thank you for the type racer. But holy shit, is that your high score? That is your best race. God damn, Marsha. Holy shit. Okay, cool. Biggie, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Did you know, Biggie, that piki in Swahili means motorcycle? As one of the few, now you have to gift me a sub to Mop Garden? That seems fair. Not a sub to Anthony Writes Code, but to Mop Garden? Is that really what you're gonna do me like right now? Fine. How do I even gift a sub when they're offline? Gift a sub to a specific viewer. Marsha sucks. Alright. There you go. You have 3 months of Mop Garden sub. Oh, my phone is buzzing because it is telling me I've made a questionable purchase. Did you mean to purchase Twitch Interactive? Yeah, I did. My my phone lets me know whenever I am the shrimp. I'm gonna delete these emails too and tell it yes, this is actually an okay purchase. Eventually do that. Cool, done. Daniel, hello. How you doing? Okay, click a button. Fields have errors. Fix and resubmit VCN subnet. What does that mean? No VCNs available in this compartment. Click a button. Question mark? Oh, it's doing something now. I would have never thought to see Anthony on Oracle Cloud. Well, it's free, and apparently that's it. Para virtualized. All right, where's my IP? Where is how do? What is all this shit? I want to see my IP. Maybe? No? Maybe it has to boot? I don't fucking know. I don't know how this shit works. This dashboard, I don't know what it's about, but it's so Oracle. Like, what the fuck is this big orange yellow eye thing? Top right? Oh. That's the Sage. Ubuntu at. I'm dying. Marsha's already in. Yeah, there is something satisfying about that IP address. 129.213.113.145 feels very satisfying. It's one 2004 grade 8 fill away from being a Cisco dashboard. Yeah. I guess it's not up yet, so probably what provisioning is. Entry Monkey, hello, welcome. Do you know things about Oracle Cloud? Is that why you're helping me? USMC Chick says, today is my birthday. I got myself a third monitor so I can call myself a real programmer. I got an Acer 32-inch curved. Ooh. For $169. Nice. Standard Robot. Hello. How you doing? Curved swords. Sorry. I think that's a Borderlands 2 penis reference. But it sticks in my brain forever. It's going well. Standard Robot. We are waiting for this to provision. Oh, it's a Skyrim thing. Is it a Skyrim thing? I feel like it's also in Borderlands. Maybe Borderlands is referencing the Skyrim thing? Is it really a Skyrim thing? I wouldn't surprise me. I also play the shit out of Skyrim. There's a type of weaponry in Skyrim. I don't think that's what it's in. I think it's from the pirate DLC in Borderlands 2. I feel like there's a mission where one of the Vault Hunters is like, haha, curved swords. And then it's just like, the whole mission is just like a giant penis reference. I love when people are like, I'm running pipe grade with pre-commit. I did not find a way to solve this. Have you tried reading the pre-commit documentation? Part of the point of pre-commit is that every tool under the sun does not need to implement such a thing, and that actually they just fucking search the issue tracker. Maybe there's skip. I swear there's at least several dupes here. Try reading up on how to configure pre-commit. Part of the point of pre-commit is that every tool doesn't need to implement this. If you're still stuck after reading that, I can give you the answer, but teach your man to fish. Pantrax, hello. There's a big looty. No, that's the whole point of Borderlands. The whole point of Borderlands is to be funny. Show me your curved sword. Oh no. Benex says, hey, is it possible to distribute an application over pip? When you pip install it, you can run it in the terminal. Yes? Isn't that... I don't know how that's a question, because like almost everything that I build on stream is something that you run on the terminal after you pip install it. And I feel like you've been around enough, Venix, to see me work on things like that, right? Yes, we have instance. Woo! You named that Shay? Here's my AR-64. Yo, let's fucking go. Okay, we have done... Oh, shit. I stopped the bot. That's not what I want to do. Blurp, 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 blurp. This is the tab that I wanted to kill. Okay. Spin up any VM using Oracle Cloud manually. Check. Pip install Anthon's butt cheeks? I don't know that that's what we're gonna do here. Okay, blah, 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 blah. We are on Oracle Cloud instance. Which curl? Which Python 3? Wow, we start with a lot. Good, we don't have pip. Good. That's a good thing. Do they have Python 3 distutils installed? They do. Amazing. Wild. Power one complete. Now we stop for snacks and a nap. More like we grab another beer. Let's be real here. Let's make a virtual M. Curl bootstrap.pypa.io / virtualenv.pyz. Right. Curl with output. Wow, that was speedy. God damn, that downloaded fast. Make it a virtual env. Pip install Babby, because of course. Oh, right. Oh, right, it's ARM. Oh, right, it's ARM. Is this even gonna work? Oh, fucking A. What is the error here? Oh, we don't have GCC. We don't have GCC. We get in GCC. Yep. Late night stream says recursive chat. Well, it's only 7 p.m. for me, so it's a little late. But how you doing? This bash history now looks like you just gained unauthorized access to the computer. That's honestly like most of what my bash history looks like. Wait, are you fucking kidding me? Where's my GCC? Am I tripping? Did I not just install GCC? Oh, we got an error. We got an error. Okay, I wasn't paying attention. We're gonna have to update. GCCD's nuts! Right, Santa Robot? Yeah. 100%. Control C is the programming version of stuttering. PyT, Control C, LSH, Control C. Yeah, it's true. Error package, Anthon's butt cheeks too thick. Yeah. True. Yeah, the server. Hello, welcome. I mean, like, I'm not wearing shorts today, so you have jeans ass today. Entropy Monkey says, when does not simply install GCC? It's true. Alright, pip install Babby. Fuck. iconfig.h. Oh. Python 3-dev. It's weird that that's the first header it tries to install, tries to include rather than python.h. Usually it's python.h. He's wearing longs? I am wearing longs today. Oh my god, what the fuck have I done? What is this? Does it have mouse integration? No. Oh, you can just press escape. Cool. Alright, pip install Babby. Oh, imagine? Yo! github.com/anthonywritescode. They will see the video bot. If I could spell correctly. It's a module update in it. DickSword main. Yo, we're cooking with gas. Anthony hot tub stream went. So I was gonna do a hot tub stream, but then the meta's gone, so it's not funny anymore. It's like two years late to be funny. I also don't have a hot tub. I could do a tub stream. We could do a tub stream, but like, what's the point at this point? It's not funny anymore. It'd just be sad and wet and messy, and with a high chance of me ruining my laptop. I've always wanted to do a hot tub stream, but me fully clothed in the bathtub programming. Yeah, that's kind of what I was gonna do, but like, it'd be like my one excuse to actually do a shirtless stream. Although it, let's be real, I barely look shirtless on stream because I have a fucking carpet on my chest. Let's build ARM wheels and publish them. So the thing is, they never actually spec'd many Linux for ARM, so I'm still hesitant to publish ARM wheels. It's not meta, I'm crying, I'm sobbing. I mean, it's true. I just think it wouldn't be funny. I think it would just be kind of cringe. I don't know. Sad and wet me every day. Damn. Oof. Not for fun, but for our visual pleasure. What about a toaster in the hot tub stream? Yes, take a toaster in the bath. It's from Blink-182 song. What song is that from? Toaster in the bath, Blink-182 song. It's gonna show me the... Oh, it's from M&M's, yeah. What's the actual line, though? My life was getting so... There are only so many ways I can make love with my hand. Sometimes it makes me want to laugh. Sometimes I want to take my toaster in the bath. Cause when I'm with you, there's nothing I wouldn't do. I just want to be only one. I'm grasping at straws. Take it back to what I saw, that memory when we were all alone. Ba 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 ba. Anyway. Ew, this is kind of weird. We're talking about hot tub streams. I feel like just kind of weird in general. Hot tubs are low elo. Yeah, that is kind of true. Andrew Jones says, "Could you list these commands later?" Oh. I like how you're talking to Parsit in the stream. Like, hey, Parsit. I don't know if you're here, but that's funny. Okay, we have the bots. How do start it? Reamd. DickSword bot to search and grab witty URLs, blah blah blah. Wrap around bot that I wrote. Fuzzy finds, yep. Translating this from one use case to general. Yep, okay, cool. Runtime.txt, Python, okay. Proc file. Run with dicksword.main, okay. Dickswordbot.main. It should go boom. Oh, I'm dying. I'm dying. Venex says, did you play the new Pokemon? I have been playing the new Pokemon. Yes. Yes, indeed. Pip install. Watch this go boom. Oh god, build everything from source. Cry party. But yeah, I've been grinding some Pokemon. Avocado toast in the bathtubs? But I already own a house, Wilfred. I can't have avocado toast, otherwise I'll lose my house. That joke's not funny anymore, but I laugh at it every time. Okay, it's running. The server says, I'm building Soul Pause 83 AH64, is that not spec'd? Yeah, so PyPI lets you upload arm wheels, but the person who was working on speccing it was like, fuck the Python community, I'm out. So it's all just like build the wheel and hope that the processor supports it, even though none of the symbols are spec'd. So none type has no object strip. I feel like that should error earlier. I feel like it should error earlier. Yeah, this should be environ Discord bot token. Let's find the other getins. We should make this error earlier. This is an interesting way to do this. Okay, so now it should error. Wait, is there literally a thing for Marcia in here? Oh yeah. We added the UDP question, or the UDP command. Okay, so now it errors with Dixord bot token. So I'm gonna put that in a little M file, and so you can look at my face for a second. Discord bot token, and Shaz helpfully sent this to me. Need to copy paste. Why did that not send? Oh god. Discord is lagging to all hell. So funny thing about Discord, if you send a token in a DM on Discord, it will tell you, hey, maybe you don't want to do this. This seems like bad idea. Don't do this before it errors. But anyway, okay. No longer showing on screen. We can go back to here. Cool. Cough drop. I think I just need to get another beer, to be honest. Is requirement set text still used if you need pip install -e dot? So they solve different things. Requirement set text is usually for apps. Editable dot is to install a library. I mean, you can make them do the same thing, but usually they don't. Build a wheel and hope the wheel nuts stay on? Yeah. Pretty much. Oh, Mario TI is explaining it. I'm grabbing a cough drop. Yep. I only look at your face, TH. Hot tubs may be low elo, but we're in preseason, so fuck it. Answer says, that sucks. For me, arm wheels are kind of important since it's mostly Raspberry Pis I'm building. I mean, you can promote them. You can build arm wheels. You are free to do whatever the fuck you want. I am not building arm wheels, except for Apple, where it's actually spec'd. Because I don't want to have to do it again later, and I don't want to build stuff that's broken for people. It probably mostly works because most ARM things are going to be the same spec, but I don't want to waste my time. Did I really typo this wrong? I forgot to source it. Oh shit, in theory we have a bot running? Why'd you DM me, Marcia? 102, yeah, that's clearly the password. Bot is ready, little auspicious. Oh, let's do the risky thing and show Dixord on stream. Is it UDP? Oh, we have 2 instances of the bot running. It fucking works, I guess. So that's cool. Oh, where did my Dixord window go? Cool. But there's no way anything else works. So if we do like explains WAT, this is the other bot. But otherwise we get error. Okay. That's decent at least. That was easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so now we need to make a config. Will M, hello. It's going all right. I was just surprised no one picked up specking it. Yeah, well, since PyPI allows uploads of arm wheels, I think that kind of killed the need for somebody to actually do the work. Why would you want wheel arms so you have chainsaw arms? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try and make a config object and see what we need there. I think I can probably cheese it. Config. Oh, we need all this shit, don't we? Probably don't need any of these. I don't need this. We need this. We need this. We probably just need these two things. We don't need anything in the rest of this. We need this structure. Config.json. Yes. Username. Lolno. Channel. Lolno. OAuth. Token. OAuth. Lolno. Client ID. Lolno. YouTube API key. I will need to find one of those. And then YouTube playlists. I will need to fill this out. Dixter. Stir. Dict. Stir. So we gotta fill that out. And then air now API key. Lol, no. Although it might be fun to make that work at some point. Okay, so this is the structure I need to figure out, which shouldn't be too bad. Now to try and install mail in a box for my Oracle VM. Why would you want arms when you could have wings? Have you seen Birds with Arms? Birds with Arms is like my favorite stupid internet thing. These are all safe for work, right? Something about Birds with Arms just tickles me perfectly. I fucking love this shit. I don't know why. It is exactly the thing that I find funny. This is like me posting minions on Facebook, except it's Birds with Arms. Yeah. Flem says, if I get the points to change the map thing, can I change it to white on white? You can, but we will do a vote in chat as to whether we veto white on white. So it is probably not a good idea for you to waste your points. Savage Banana Soup, hello, says Missed Curly. What? Oh, I mean, it doesn't matter. We need to actually fill in the data here, so. Of course I missed a Curly, because there's shit to fill out here still. Bats? No, Birds with Arms. Birds with Arms. In the service says, I didn't know this before. The whole idea of ABA3 was to never worry about it again. The potentially broken arm wheels are annoying. Purging them is not so easy. Well, you just bump the version and build new ones. It's not that big of a deal. It's just kind of annoying. You have to, figure out how to build everything again. DeJelleman says, why are you migrating to a different cloud hosting provider? I swear it's in the title. I swear it's obvious from the title. Yeah. It should be obvious from the title. Unless you just didn't catch any of the news about this one. Do you know about what happened with Heroku? Heroku wants money. Money. And there's no fucking point in paying for a stupid Discord bot. So we're trying to move it to something else that's free. Is the plan. Pantrax got a job. Nice. I no longer like this democracy. Yeah. That's awesome, Pantrax. Good to hear. Yeah, Heroku moved their free plan. Okay, I'm going to look at my own credentials for this, and you will look at my face while I do that. So give me a sec. I will grab it from my own config.json. And grab the thing. And the paste and Fortunately, you are looking at the face, so you cannot see all of these creds in plain text. Yep, no problems there. Definitely not plain text creds. Oh my god, why is my VM freaking out? Oh my god, why did it open Firefox? What the fuck is going on? I feel like I'm being hacked. No, I clicked on the link. I'm the dummy. I'm the dummy here. It is not. We're not being hacked. No features have like all the other providers. Why Oracle instead of AWS or Azure? There are. AWS does not have an always-on VM that's free. Azure might, but I don't know. Oracle has an always-on VM. So that's basically it. I just deleted all my Heroku stuff, had to Google how, the UI was confusing. I'm a long-time DigitalOcean customer, so I didn't have any issues opening 25, and so far my IP isn't blacklisted. Not self-hosting? I don't have any permanently on machines at the moment. I will at some point, but I also don't really want to run random code that people can input stuff from a chatbot to execute code on. Hang on, I'm just trying something. How do I make JQ output something in a single line? That's the thing, right? Is it JQ-C? Yeah, it is. Okay. Give me 1 sec. I still have cards on screen. Config.json JQ-c. Okay. I think we're good. Yeah, it did an error, so presumably we're fine. Let me make sure I don't have it open. And then we'll go back to the CODs. Just me trying JQ stuff. All right, so in theory, if I start the bot now, and then I go to Dixord, and I type explains 69. Type error. What the fuck? It no worky. My guess is we need to update things. Let's try again. Bot is ready. Explain 69. Yo! Let's fucking go! Let's go, baby! Oh, also, you can see my unread Discord DMs. Whoops. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Now we gotta automate all this. Savage Midnight Soup says, hi, by the way, good to see you again. Still making my way through the VODs. Nice, nice. We're gonna have 500 by the end of the week. My 500th is actually kind of, I was like, I should do a 500 special. And then I was like, I'm already having enough motivation recording normal videos. So 500 is about SQLite. No real special video for 500. Just me being like, SQLite is awesome. Yay, SQLite. Cool beans, SQLite. Is that clickbait? No, it's not even clickbait. It's 100% legit. SQLite is my favorite database. Yep. Anything when you think is being hacked? It was the person I least suspected, but it was me all along. No, I always suspect it's me. Like, it's always me. I am the Spider-Man pointing at myself. Makes sense. I thought it just had a free EC2 unless there's a lot of traffic. AWS's free EC2 instance is a 1-year deal. So after 1 year, it is no longer free. It is then $12 a month, which, like, meh. $12 a month is functionally free, but I'd rather pay $0 a month. We'll use Puppet for this. I don't know. We might also just slap this into a Docker image. It might be easier. Need 500 tutorial videos on YouTube? Yeah. I think it's crazy too. I don't know how I managed to think of novel content to produce 3 times a week, but we are almost to episode 500 of mostly unique. There's actually one video that I've recorded twice. So bonus points to anyone who can find my YouTube video that I have accidentally posted twice. Wait, I didn't just send another gift sub. Why do I have more money? Uh-oh. Am I hacking myself again? Hang on. I gotta figure out why I just paid money to Twitch. Oh, recurring sub. Okay. Got it. Music has WASMs for it. Yes. What's his name? Django guy has been working on that. Did you have to add your credit card to create an Oracle account? I did. $0 per month is freer. It's true. It's very true. Okay. So now I guess, how do we want to do this? Systemd, Docker, virtualenv, scriptable periodically. Should we try and turn this into a Docker image? Yeah, Simon W. Yes. Why do you need to provide a credit card if we're close free? I think they use it for account verification because otherwise people would just spam a million accounts. And I think it's for liability, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. I'm not actually paying for anything. My account is stuck in free tier, so I'm fine. Preventing abuse, yeah, is probably the best way to explain it. Okay, do we want to try and run this as Docker? Could try and run this as Docker. Let's first do git diff and make a patch. Wait, that's not even gonna work. Still just do cat and then copy it out manually. Yeah, that seems fine. We already need to change things. Git deploy, Control V, Control D. Chubaraka, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Is there something like an AMI on Oracle? There is. Maybe we'll look into building one of those. I feel like that's going to cost money because it costs money on AWS. Otherwise, we could build an AMI, but that kind of feels like it takes forever. Python packaging extra / optimal dependencies. It's not that one, Wolfred. That one I recognized before I posted it, and that's why I have like a silly thumbnail for it. There's actually a video in the explains list that I didn't realize until after posting it, and several days later I was like, wait a minute, didn't I record this already? There is a video in here that is exactly the same as one that already exists. Yeah. And it's not the optional dependencies one. What is it though? It is another packaging one if I remember correctly. Maybe not. Oh, you know what it is? It's probably... No? I don't know. I know there's one. Though. But, yeah. Preventing abuse in crypto bros? Yeah. The Discord bot is something you have to host yourself? Yes. This will sell your credit card to cover the free tier costs? Yeah. I wonder if anyone has seen all of your 500 videos. They would probably be experts or crazy by now. I mean, I hope I'm not driving people insane. That's not the goal. The goal is to produce nice content. And, yeah. Fixes for... How old is the Brigamega Fig? Pretty old. fact. Oh, it is actually on GitHub though. Amazing. And Doctor says, I've seen 100 of them. Yeah, it's quite a few. It's quite a few. Let's make it overkill so we can deploy thousands of bots in seconds. Doesn't sound like a good idea. Fixes for Python 3.10. Uh-oh, there's security things already? Well, we might as well fix those too. Ping pong! Yep, you have found one of the things. We might as well set up Pigment CI as well. Hello? Oh, I get to essentially rub my monitor. Yep. My monitor loves the pets. Oh, but then I have to get it to trigger CI. I've played them all. I don't know about watching them all. Let it run the playlist on my TV. I see. I see. And bring me the eye. Yay, look at this. Woo. Zoom zoom. Okay. If environment is wrong. Oh, change that setting. We do not need wikis, we do not need projects. We need to this one. Okay. I've sent the one about poetry to every dev I know that uses poetry, so they stopped. Nice. The gentleman, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Or is it gentleman? Like Django, but really makes you think, doesn't it? Get check out me, get bull prune. Oh, that maybe I shouldn't have done. Yeah, I deleted the Heroku build branch. Whatever. Hopefully that wasn't needed. Okay, so what do you want to do, chat? Should we make a Docker image? Like Jello? Ah, I see. It's like Django, but I understand now. Should we Docker? Docker file? Is that a thing? All right, we'll Donker. We'll Donker this one. Is Docker installed here? Well, we'll install Podman and make it happen. Okay, we need to Docker this, but we also need to Docker this for ARM. So, Podman. I should just look at my own video for this, right? ARM 64. Yes, episode 473. This is what I want. Bad password. Citrus! I have no code, I just wanted your attention. You can get my attention anytime. Okay, I did read your DM. You sent me a chainsaw. But why? Oh no, wait. But you don't have any code for me to review. Oh, 7 my babbies. But you're gonna get your points back because you don't have any code review. First, I must mark these as complete. Reject! Oh no, I rejected citrus. I can write up some code real fast. You're just gonna like print hello world. How you doing, citrus? Good to see you as always. Are you streaming Pokemon later? I assume you're streaming Pokemon later. It is Monday after all. USMC says I have code but no points. I'm working. You'll have some code next time? Okay. I feel like you're just gonna get one of your viewers to write code and have me review that, which feels cheating. PJXYY, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Keller Mercury says Oracle, oh no. It's free. I'll write it myself. I'm very good. Okay. Trust. Don't trust. Okay. We are writing Dockerfile today. Debian front end, non-interactive. An AMI equivalent seems to be simple as taking a snapshot. Yeah, that's how it works in AWS also. What is a Dockerfile? Okay, so you know how I'm running essentially a computer inside of a computer? God, how do I explain Docker to someone who doesn't know about computers? Yes. Okay, so I'm essentially running a computer inside of a computer. Docker is like running another computer inside of that computer. So, for instance, you can tell Docker to run a whole different operating system, and it'll be different than your host. So, for instance, this is 2004, and if we look at it outside of Docker, it's 2204. So it basically lets you run another Linux inside of a Linux, but it does it very quickly. Whereas if you look at me starting up a whole nother virtual machine, it takes a real long ass time for this to start. Like it's still going. So this is a full virtual machine, whereas Docker is sort of a very lightweight. You can think of it as a virtual machine. It's not actually. It's like a very lightweight other operating system. And the reason that it's so quick is because it shares like the baseline, what's called the kernel of the operating system that you're running. So this is still sharing the kernel execution, but it puts a user space on top of it. So it basically allows you to fuck around with other operating systems real quickly. Why do you need another computer? Me to my wallet, right? Why? Anthony, why do you keep buying more computers? So often Docker is really useful for a couple of reasons. One, it allows you to isolate an environment and like reproduce something. Like there's the joke that's like, well, it works on my machine and it doesn't work on someone else's. And Docker takes that, well, it works on my machine and it just ships your whole fucking computer to the cloud. That's kind of the idea. Is you can make a reproducible environment that you can ship anywhere and run anywhere. Even if the stars didn't align properly, or like, someone sneezed in the data center, like you can kind of just pick up the computer and put it somewhere else. At least that's the idea. I use it a lot to test other operating systems and to build stuff for other versions and to isolate stuff. Taniwa, thank you for the resub. And a whole year. God damn. Thank you for the 1 year, which gets you a fancy new badge. I kind of get it, I think. My minimal knowledge has expanded. You're becoming big brain. Wait, how did you get the TwitchCon badge? I don't have the TwitchCon badge, even though I have a partner badge. It doesn't let me pick the TwitchCon badge. Why did you get it? I didn't. Davey Music, hello. How you doing? Docker's like zipping an environment? Yes. Docker shares the kernel of the host OS? Yes. Unless you're on Mac OS, and then it runs a virtual machine. Which doesn't makes it even more confusing. PBNJ, welcome. Docker's like application virtualization, virtual machines like hardware virtualization. It's not though, because modern VMs don't actually virtualize the hardware. They just processor switch. Like there's no emulation in modern VMs, unless you're of course emulating, and then it's different. But Citrus has gifted a sub to Tofu. How you doing, Tofu? Oh wait, I didn't see you. Oh, because I haven't gotten that far in chat yet. Hello. How you doing? And thank you for the gift sub, Citrus. I don't know. No buttons today though. But are you ready for a rarity, Citrus? I'm wearing pants today. This is different. I'm wearing pants today because I went outside. Kubernetes says, with distroless and multi-stage, Docker is really nice for reproduction. Yes, indeed. I think it switched to ROM. We can trade. Pythonic Pie, thank you for the reset. At 2 years. You didn't have to one-up Tannywell like that. But that also gets you a fancy new badge at 2 years, Pythonic Pie. Damn. Well, welcome back. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Pinac Gamer, thank you for the follow. Welcome. What? Why? Who are you? Because I'm wearing pants. Right? It's so not on brand for me. Fix Jake says, back from making dinner. How's the video bot coming? We've got it running manually. So we can do this, and we can go over to Dixord and not leak my DMs. And if we do explains 069, it will it replies twice because there's the old Heroku one is still running. But it is working. So now we're just in the like, how do we automate it stage? And we're gonna try and Dockerify stuff. Van Pial, thank you for the resub at 18 months, which also gets you a fancy new badge. And USMC Chick has used 100 bits. Thank you for the bits. Appreciate it. AWC pants. Yeah. Pinhead Gamer, hello. Wow's the clutch. Good to see you again. Wilfred says, do I get a thank you for sponsoring you for this second month? You do. I appreciate it, Wilfred. Thank you for sponsoring me on GitHub. I need to set up notifications for that at some point. We'll do like webhook fancy stuff. I'm hoping that Microsoft actually gets back to me about my sponsored stream, and maybe we'll do that as our sponsored stream, which is set up a GitHub bot using their serverless stuff. But yeah. Anyone says, don't worry, I'm catching up. Today, they're 2x ahead of me, but in a year, only 1.5x. It's kind of true. That is kind of how that works. Yeah. CramPL, hello. Time to fuck with the shitty Oracle console. I mean, we clicked around a bunch and got we got an instance running. I think ideally I'm gonna switch to Terraform and then not look at the console again. But I also need to figure out just how much we need to build. Citrus says, lurking. Gotta finish up work, but I'll be here being educated. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Always good to see you, Citrus. Welcome back for sponsoring. You get a fancy new badge. You do actually get a fancy badge on GitHub. Okay, Donker. Wait to confirm you get all the money. I get 95% of GitHub sponsors. Yes. Essentially 100. Have you used Azure? Think about using it for a project? I have a little bit. I've used it on stream a few times. Okay, Dockerfile. Apt-get install. I should do on the other screen so you can actually see what I am doing. AWC video bot. apt get install y, no install recommends. We at least need curl and CA certificates, and we need Python 3 and Python 3 distutils. And we're gonna need some other shit on ARM, but I think that'll be good enough to get started. I know you don't have to do this anymore, but I do this anyway, so fuck it. Right, then we need to and path equals via bin path. That seems fine. Curl silent location output virtualenv.pyz bootstrap.pypa.io virtualenv.pyz Python 3 virtualenv.pyz vf rm. Oh, I need all of the environment variables from the other thing, right? Wait, why is Twitch back to hype trains? What happened to my boost trains? Fuck Twitch. I have friends who help keep Azure online. Oh, MDS Ubuntu. Hello, hello. Is this an Ampere ARM instance? It is. That is what this is here. It is indeed. I know the guy that wrote the book on Kubernetes, my go-to source for all things really smart. Oh. And Gamer says, really cool. I have an Azure exam coming up in a week. Oh, fun, fun. Azure is fine, but kind of the same problem as all cloud providers, being confusing with all the services. The UIs always suck. Prices are somewhat hard to figure out and tend to be more expensive than rolling your own infra. Yeah, it's true. It's true. I don't know what apt clean is, but I often find myself randomly on apt auto remove. Yeah, I do apt auto remove. That one's actually useful. Funny how quickly you forget how to bash script when you just use Docker files all day. Yeah, well, I would argue that you shouldn't write bash scripts. That's just me. Common says, I'm new about this, but I wanted to play Flask app, but would like to have a SQL database for cheap, and AWS only has NoSQL for cheap. However, Azure has one. Yeah, and Oracle does too. Aren't there many cases where you would have only one instance? Would you still use Docker in such a case? I think I'm going to use it here even though there's only one instance, just because I don't want to have to SSH and fuck around. Like, I had to run 71 commands to get this running, so I don't really want to have to run 71 commands anytime this changes. Hey, thank you for the hype train chat. So we're going to try and automate it and get it mostly running on its own, is the plan. I wonder cloud init equivalent Oracle cloud. If I could use cloud init, then I could avoid actually needing to write any custom code. Although I don't know how I'm going to get creds out of the box without putting creds in cloud init. Cloud init.yaml, fuck that noise. I don't know. We're going to build a Docker image anyway, because it feels like a good idea. Even if it doesn't end up that way, like, then it wouldn't be fully automated, but maybe that's fine. We'll just do good enough for today then. I don't know. We're going to do good enough. We're going to get this working, but pull Docker run. I think that's faster and easier. Yeah. One instance means 1 point of failure. Yeah. Usually it's a bad idea, but in this case it's a fucking Discord bot. Who cares? How would you provide the Docker file without SSH? We're going to build it on GitHub Actions, then pull the Docker image. At least that's the plan. InfSec says, wait, Cloud.init is not a credential store? Smile. A lot of companies use it as one, but it's really not supposed to be. It kind of works for one, but it's not supposed to be done that way. Okay, so we need to copy requirements. Oh, we should also make a Docker ignore. We can at least do that. Copy requirements .text to dot run pip install requirements. Great if I could spell. Also, I forgot thing. What was I doing? Repos. Frequency runner image stock file. Okay, so there's a bunch of M shit that we need in here. 1, 2. No periodic update. Embed. Yeah, we want all of these variables. This is how you make virtualenv repeatable and minimal, and tell pip to fuck off and not to write a cache. Just kind of what you always want in a Docker file. Yeah, I think that's the right set of things. Hopefully. All right, and then lastly, we just need copy dot dot, I think. Copy dot dot. That'll put our app into here. Oh, we also probably want dumb init. Because we want an init system. Yes, yes. User data is in the clear. Yes. That is why it is not a good CRUD store. But who's gonna man the middle user data? Shrugs. Repo, indeed. Yes, yes. Docker containers can sometimes reuse the inode of the underlying shared images. Who's memory usage in the file system? No, that's for shared layers. That doesn't really have anything to do with inodes. They share entire parts of the layered file system. That doesn't matter for memory usage, though. That's disk usage. Which I guess sometimes translates to M-mapped memory, because the kernel will page in files occasionally, but that's not really a reason to use layered file systems. Okay. Let me find my directions for building ARM, which is apparently this. And we will try build. And it's going to fail. Anthony writes code ABC with yo bot dot. Invalid. Oh, I didn't know that. I learned something today, chat. You cannot have an uppercase Docker tag. Interesting. Very interesting. I didn't know that was a thing. Docker like an OS inside of an OS with its own memory? Yes, although it shares the kernel with the host. So it's not quite the same. It's kind of like a namespace user space. I'm impressed you never ran into that. Picture Jake, well, you gotta remember, the shift key is the worst key on the keyboard. So of course I wouldn't have ran into that. Because fuck the shift key. Wait, why did I end up with 3.8? Oh, I'm dumb. I was saying focal in my example. I'm dumb. Let's try it again. Is GHCR free? It is if it's open source. Peyton says, is there a way to test GitHub Actions pipeline before sending them to GitHub Actions? Last time I spent all the quota mostly just running tests of deploying. I usually fuck around in my personal account if I'm trying stuff. You do have a formally verified sub badge there, Kona guys. Thank you for the resub at 18 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Containers are just processes and C groups. That's not really true either, because the original Docker had nothing to do with C groups. C groups didn't even exist. Well, they did exist, but no one used them because they were kind of broken. Is the shift key worse than caps lock? Yeah, because at least the caps lock key is funny. Yeah. Original Docker used LXC. Yeah, exactly. Wait, is LXC C groups? I don't think so. LXC versus C groups. Oh, it is C groups. Or is it? I don't fucking know. I don't know what I'm talking about. I feel like C groups were not useful until like 2017. And I was definitely using Docker before then. Whatever, doesn't matter. The library at work vendor their own version of data classes for some reason. I'd unvendor it and it broke all my stuff. They wrote their own data classes? That seems like a questionable idea. Although data classes is kind of shitty. Adders is better. Real WTY Bill, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Dr. Marq says, has Podman evolved enough? They promised Docker drop-in replacement, but then broke that promise. I have been using Podman as I've been using only exclusively Podman, except at work. For last 3 years? 3 years? Yeah. The last 3 years. So it's worked great for me. Okay, so the problem here is there's a bug with the virtualenv PyZ where if it's at the root of the file system, it breaks. This is so stupid, but if you put it at /temp instead, it fixes it. Why do I know this? Because it's stuck in my brain with all this other useless fucking knowledge that I will never need in a lifetime of sadness writing code. But look, I'm right. It succeeded now that I moved it into temp. Fuck. Literally copy paste data classes with no modifications? Well, that makes no sense. Is there a grunt variant that detects compressed files and auto does as appropriate? I think if you use zgrep, it just does it. I think zgrep will grep normal files if you pass normal files into it. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Oops. Continue. John Hammond made a Podman video recently, but I didn't watch it because I haven't really watched it in a while. And mine's better anyway. You know this because you're Anthon? It's just me being sad at computers. Let's be realistic. Useless knowledge is power? Yeah, something like that. Why is this building... Why are any of these succeeding? I don't have the C headers installed. It should be erroring. Maybe these all work purelib? There's no way. I'm pretty sure this builds. Maybe it's only doing the dependency lookup? Pretty sure it's try and build. Works on our machine? What's the Zoomer Zoomer Russian background fucking communism meme? Anytime I see the word our I actually okay, here we go. It's finally feeling good. One of my video ideas is to use that meme format, but this is called Anthony Explains Ideas? Yeah. I meant to do a video where I explain what git merge dash hours does, and then make a short where I'm making this silly Russian meme, but anyway. Wait, what did I say to you, more ATI? What am I right about? Can't even find your last message. What the fuck? Why is this exceeding me after every build? Yeah. Okay, so this is just missing GCC. Okay, so how do we conditionally add GCC? Oh. Oh, this is gonna kill me. Uh, Actually, don't need this. If how do I even do this? If then packages equals GC. Else? Look, I don't know how to do this in one line. Can I do this in one line? I don't think so. God damn it. I want branches, but I don't know. Oh, zgrep. Yeah, okay, cool. Is the explains command the one that calls the Discord bot? Yeah, that's one way to call it. But the one that's in chat is different. The Discord bot calls the one that's in chat, kind of, sort of. Why am I still coughing, right? I hate it. I hate it. Marluka says semicolon else. Yeah, I think that'll work, but also I don't think we have pash here. I think this is SH. So I need to make this POSIX shell, or I need to shell instruction. I could shell bash. The default has been sh-c. Stupid. But I think I can write this in line, maybe? Maybe? There's no way, because this is a bashism and that's a bashism. So I feel like this is going to break, but we're going to try it anyway. WCGW. Syntax error, parentheses. I feel like anytime I open up a Dockerfile and I see this is the first line, I'm like, shit, this is about to be bad. It's not supported for OCI. Well, okay, we can't even do that. Love it. Oh, we can just do it as a string. I think I need to put semicolons in a lot of places here. Actually, we could just do this because it doesn't fucking care about unused variables. We could even do... We could even do poor man's ternary. Like, I think this will probably work. Is it a good idea? No. I missed a backslash? Is that all I had? Did it actually work? I think this is also working. Let's see, is it trying to install GC? We'll see if it installs GC. And I think this is ugly. Can we do it in Python somehow? I wish. Doc files suck. Use Substack for AWC paints? Yeah, because I don't know what to do with the Twitter. Now that Twitter's gonna die. I think this is working. See if it installs GCC. We'll also need to install Python dev, so this won't be the last version of this, but and it's slow because it's emulating right now. Still pretty fast frame rate. Okay, we got GCC. That's all I want to see. Okay, so we also put in Python 3-dev here. Did I go back to trying to make this work with an if statement? backslash backslash. We don't even need that because I think I need semicolon. I think I need a semicolon here because Docker's getting rid of the line break. Or Podman or whoever the fuck. I'm pretty sure this is gonna error. Yeah. But if I put a semicolon here, I think it's gonna work. Yeah. That's stupid, but it works. Okay, let's see if by AMD 64, it should skip that and not install GCC. Just gonna validate that first. Are you on Mastodon? No. Mastodon's stupid, and I'm hoping Twitter dies so I can finally be free. Okay, did it actually install GCC? Did not. Perfect. Okay, this is what I want. This'll do. This'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Alright, let's go back to ARM. Hey, what's up, iSatisfied? Hello, hello. Heard good stuff about the InfoSec one. Did you hear about how they were breached? I heard specifically that InfoSec Mastodon got breached because they did like a stupid customization for security that actually leaked everything. I should not spot nonsense without backing it up. Yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna possibly. Yeah, because unfortunately, if you put the word InfoSec, it just gives you all sorts of garbage Google responses. Oh no, what happened here? Unable to locate the package. Oh, yeah, because it's quoted. This is a gross hack. How you doing, iSatisfied? I need another drink. Security research found a way to dump passwords. But yeah, I'm not on Mastodon, and I will never be. Just like I'll never be on a podcast. Or just like I'll never host a podcast. Now we gotta be more specific there. Did that just say it's installing jQuery? Did I read that right? jQuery. Why the fuck is it installing jQuery? Why is it installing jQuery? What? Python 3 dev depends on libjs sphinxdoc. Why do the development headers of Python pull in fucking jQuery? What? jQuery fans rise up. Don't get me wrong, I fucking love jQuery. I wouldn't be here if it weren't for jQuery. I wouldn't be here if it weren't for jQuery and PHP. And I stand by that. But I should not need jQuery to build Python dependencies. How else would you have docs or Python 3? I didn't pull in the docs package. I pulled in the dev headers. If I would pull in Python 3-docs, sure, fine, bring in jQuery. But I shouldn't need jQuery to get some little .h files. Christian says, hello, bro. Where are you from? That's a loaded question. It could mean all sorts of things. Do you mean like, where was I born? Where did I grow up? Where are my ancestors from? Where am I located now? Where was I 2 years ago? Could be all sorts of stuff. Bootstrap dropped it, so it must be carried on by Python. Yeah. jQuery never dies. It's true. When do you use no install recommends? Always. Sphinx out here getting downloads for absolutely nothing. Yeah, I don't know why it's there. This is why I tried using Gen 2 for exactly 15 milliseconds, then never again. Yeah, fucking Gen 2. 2 years ago, SF, now Michigan. That's not quite right, Pantrax. Close. In which room of the house are you currently residing? I have a map for this. Can't open Twitter on stream because sometimes it shows titties and sometimes it shows my phone number. And we can't show titties or phone number on stream. IELTS, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Where's my home diagram? Here we go. I'm currently in this room of my Hosu. Yes. I have run this orange wire, but I haven't hooked it up here yet. I'm very nervous about drilling a hole in my floor. So I kind of want to have someone over at my house when I do it. So that at least if I do it, I won't... I'll look like an idiot in front of them, and we'll be able to laugh at it instead of just me being sad by myself. I have also run another wire, so now there's a wireless access point here. Yeah. So there's more network infrastructure. No doors? We don't need fucking doors. We just phase through walls here. Have file list? What the fuck? Wait, there's another copy of jQuery. Oh, am I just pulling in the wrong package? I'm probably just pulling in the wrong package. I probably want Python 3.10-dev. Is that why? That's gotta be why. Yeah, I don't actually want that package. Okay. We can get away without jQuery. JGR Sith, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. We're gonna Control-Z this, unfortunately. Because we are going to do 3.10-dev and 3. This one I actually need to do 3 distros. I think. Yes, because there is no version package there. And then I need to probably do this. Yeah. And now we build it again. Tofufu says, I don't blame you. For which thing? Oh, for not opening Twitter on stream? Yeah. Like Minecraft, he just lives in a big dirt cube and knocks down some wall to enter an exit. Yeah. It took me a while to realize this is not a top-down diagram. Yeah. Yeah. That's not, yeah, well, I closed it already, but yeah, it's a side view. Can't have jQuery without jQuery? Mark, are you trying to get bonked? I see you. I see what you're trying to do here. Apt install curved swords. Was the side view? My Hosu. Fine, I'll open it again. But again, off stream. Oh, I've gone too far. This is a side view of my Hosu. This is top floor. This is main floor. And this is the basement. Oh, it's labeled. I don't even have to tell you. Hogjar says, do you ever get tired of the blue terminal background? No. Or the purple terminal background. No, I do not. Didn't even notice the labels. Yeah, well, they're there. They're there for labeling. Good news, by the way. My interior designer has gotten back to me on the layout of my main floor, so I will soon not have a degenerate empty floor in my house. You're Mr. Big Shot with your Big Shot 3-story home? What the fuck? The fuck would I do with a 3-story home? I already have like 3 rooms in my house that I don't use. What do I need for 3 floors of my house that I don't use? Your house looks really small. How do you fit inside that? My screen's bigger than that. Yeah, shit. What is this? A house for ants? Okay. It has installed the packages. Did we pull in jQuery? Did we successfully un-jQuery? libj. I don't see a jQuery. We have successfully killed the jQuery. Nice. Cool. Very cool. Very nice. Very good. We talked about this earlier. More pewters? Yeah, that's true. Who is this jQuery? Is this jQuery in the room with you right now? Point to where jQuery touched you. Sounds like you need to adopt a dog and give him a bedroom. I have thought about that. That might happen. Chat says, I have correctly logged me in with hash passwords for my Gmail clone. Nice. How much more can I do tonight, I wonder? I need to get all emails associated from accounts only, but I'm so tired. This is Jake from State Farm. Isn't there... I feel like there was like a cartoon episode where they like memed on State Farm but called it something else, and that everyone was just like a clone of Jake, but I think it was like James in the maybe I'm making this up. Maybe this is all in my head. Maybe this was a dream. But I feel like their entire idea is that they clone Jakes from State Farms over and over and over, and as soon as Jake from State Farm says something off kilter, they just murder that Jake and clone another one. Am I losing my mind? Is this from a cartoon, or is this something that I made up? Because, you know, I could just be crazy. Are you saying that Jake is a Docker container? Yeah. Yeah, I just provisioned another Jake. Sounds like a Super Bowl commercial, but I've not heard or seen it. Yeah, it's possible I'm inside my head. Provision another Jake, yeah. Install another Jake. Alright, while this is going, we're gonna merge some auto-update days. Because they exist, and I can click at a button. Today is a MyPy bump. Yay, green button. Click the green button. Wee. Ooh, this one also bumped to ESLint. Cool, cool. Uh-oh, there's a red one. That's probably Pigment, I'd guess. Which is on my to-do list, but is probably not something I will do until... Man, I don't even know if I'm going to stream this weekend because I'm doing family shit. I shouldn't say family shit. I am going to visit with family. Yeah, this is probably still the roost thing. Yep, still the roost thing. Whatever. It's already red, so can't make it more red. Our Jake. Yes. I feel fix your Jake's ears must be burning. I'm so sorry. Shared memory Jake? Yeah. God damn, this is taking forever to build. I wonder if we upgrade these. PyPI, AIO, HTTP. If we can get wheels. Kind of doubt. Kind of doubt. Oh, there are wheels. Are there ARM64 of those? Oh, Mac OS. I think it's AArch. Oh shit! There are AArch 64s, but then they stopped building them. What? Do they have them for 310? Oh, they do. Alright, fuck this. We're gonna upgrade. We are going to upgrade a SyncIO. Oh shit, what are we on? AOHP? 383. What could go wrong? Who else are we building? Multi-dick. Ooh, we do have wheels. Look at that. We're just gonna mount to the newest. Oh god, multiple major versions. WCGW. 602? This is a terrible idea, usually. Jarl. What are you, Jarl? Jarl. Oh, you also have AR-64. 181? Because if we can get everything to be wheels, then we don't need any of the fucky wucky stuff. Who else did we build from source? AOHP was the first one. Deckard, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Meat sauce. Hello, hello. Jarls from Skyrim? Yes. Yes, indeed. Okay, if it's only those, we might be able to get away with, and this should build fast, because it should just skip the things. And should just not build anything. Yeah, those are the only 3 it built, so it should skip all that, and then we can get rid of the GCC hacky hack. Okay, downloaded wheel. Good, good. There's no more builds. Fuck. Async IO timeout. What? Async dash timeout. Blurp blurp. And we need to find the version which is less than 5 and greater than 4. We'll use 402. There's a faster way to iterate virtual NVF. This will be not emulated, so it should go faster. Dick Sword Pie. Ugh. I hate when people use less than. It's just such a fucking pain. Oh god, we have to bump to major version. Let's just use 173. Yeah, we'll get by without bumping to major version. That'll surely work, right? Fuck. God damn it. Alright, what did Discord Pi change in 2.0? Change log. Migrating to 2.0, here we go. Okay. Okay. Alright, well. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, fuck it, what could go wrong? 2.0. I don't know why it's happened. Don't remember if I do some weird version. Maybe. We can try this though. Since we already have a working environment here. Damn, it's so much faster on native. Oh. One required keyword only argument. Alright, what's intense? Intents are now required. So stupid. Why did it not default that? What the fuck is the point of a default if you're not going to default it? Which thing is it needed for? Commands.bot. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, it prints a bunch of garbage now. Alright, let's see if it's still working. Explains 069. Mm-hmm. Quiet broken. In order to better educate users, I don't want to get educated. I just want my code to work. Just all. What does it need? Privileged access? Is it broken? It's not your fault. There's no way this is your fault. Webhooks, invites, voice state, presences, messages, reactions. What the fuck? What was it in 1.0? Why does it change? Stupid. So dumb. Hey, what's up, Zithrius? Hello, hello. How you doing? It's saying get schooled. I don't wanna. I just want this shit to work. Alright, do you think if we just do .all? Oh, it has fucked my terminal. Oh, it's fucked my terminal again. We're gonna change it to all? Seems like a bad idea. Shard ID none is requesting privileged intents that have not been explicitly enabled in the developer portal. Okay, so I can't use all. So we need something. It's the drop song chat. Let's go. Okay, what do I need for commands? Discord, Pi, Intense, commands. Unless I can find a version that has a wheel. That is less than 3.8. Wins our first AR64. Oh? Maybe? Do we have a C3310? No. Please, please. Fuck. Oh man. 310 came out right after 3.8. Damn it. You could say the terminal got terminated. It's true. It's true, Tofu. The drop song is just the Windows error noises? No. No. That's not how it works. Hey Shaz, can you tell me what intents I need? It's in your. I think you have admin of the bot, so you gotta tell me which ones I need. Do 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 do. Surely, if I just Google this error message, it's gonna tell me what I need, right? Grumble, 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 grumble. Why is my scrolly messed up? What the fuck? Blue, 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 blue. Yes, tell me what I need. No, that's definitely not it. No. That's definitely not it. No, this isn't it either. How do I save developers from themselves? Right. And I won't forget the way you love me. It's on the way down. I almost fell right through. But I held on to you. I love how this is in all caps. We're off to a great start there. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. I guess I should explain why I sang that song, because, wait, what was the... Well, let me read the chat message. That save me from myself. Yeah, that's the line in the song right before that. I don't need, like, any intent unless I'm being big dumb. Fuck. And I must have fucked something else up. I hate that they did big breaking change and not have big same. What's different here? Probably nothing important. I feel like this was a thing that's different. No, I feel like that's fine. Unless message content, it is, but it says that's supposed to be included in defaults. But I also don't trust their docs. Why do they also have this on the same page? I don't give a fuck about color. There we go. Oh, enables everything except presences, members, and message content. Okay, how do I enable this? Set it to true, maybe? This is such a terrible API. Who thought this was a good idea? This is so stupid. Because if you fuck up this, I bet it's just gonna be like, yep, no, that's fine. Oh, they did set slots. Okay, they set slots, fine. They get a cookie. Okay. Explain 69. 1, 2. Okay. All right. It work again. But now it print more nonsense. What do you mean? Oh, I forgot an equals. Rebase origin main. Conflict? We want that. Rebase continue. Okay, that looks right. And then we can soft reset. Okay. And let me just make sure it still runs. that we still, I'll just do this off screen. 1 and 2. Okay, good. All right. But yeah, that lets us upgrade stuff now. Again, not your fault, Shaz. This is Discord Pie being grumbly. Okay, but now in our Docker file, we can get rid of this fucking hack. And now we don't need to build any wheels. Nice. Which should make the Docker build much faster. Much faster. Wait, why is the Docker file? Oh, that's not a good message. Where'd the Docker file go? I added it in a different tab. Okay, so we want to just delete this and change this to 310. Oh, actually, we just delete this again because we already. Yeah. Okay, let's try Docker build again. And by Docker build, I mean Podman. Han So Hi says Oracle has an Oracle Cloud. Yes, indeed. Life's faded. Hello. How you doing? Enjoy your members. More, shut up. Aidwell says, do you have thoughts? Anthony as a DevOps platform engineer, how do I save developers from themselves without making them feel oppressed? We're attempting to mandate particular sane and secure pipelines for deployment. There's always a dissenting voice or two. Where should we draw the line on standardization versus autonomy? The easiest answer that I have to this is to set up a support policy, and if they don't use your stuff, they can figure it out them fucking selves, but when it goes down at 2 a.m., they deal with it. That is the only way I've seen this actually succeed in an organization at any significant size. But you also have to make your golden path not suck. Because if your golden path sucks, you end up with Stripe, where everyone implements their own fucking infrastructure, and none of it's the same, and none of the shit works with anyone else's shit. And when everything breaks, everyone's shit breaks. You gotta have something that's good. And then, if they deviate, then it's their own damn problem. But I transfer the bot? I wouldn't bother. I don't think I'm really gonna. I honestly think we're gonna set this up once and then never touch it again. Knock on all the wood. Okay, while this is building, I'm gonna grab another beer. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec, and we'll start running the Docker image in theory, and then we'll do GitHub Actions to set this up and get it building automated. But anyway, I'll be right back. I'll see you in a sec. All right, we're back. The Docker image succeeded. Look at that. Oh, I guess I should show beer. Nutter Your Business Peanut Butter Stout by Armory Brewing. Man, the great thing about having bathrooms in all sorts of places in your house is you can just use the closest one. And you get to trade off. It's a nice convenience of having a house. Anyway. It's quite the smooth talking bot. Okay, so there is background to why the bot is so aggressive here. And I've kind of forgotten it, but I think it has to do with this GIF and me being funny in someone's chat. Oh, I hope this GIF still exists. Yeah, it does. Okay. This is, believe it or not, a Pokemon Go meme from like circa 2015 or 2016, whenever Pokemon Go came out. But I believe this is the context of that, but it's been so long, I don't remember at this point. Dude, hello, how you doing? Want to drink water when you can drink beer? I do have both at least, so I can drink water. Ethan Well says, the bonus for having a small apartment is the only bathroom is pretty close. That's fair, that's fair. The bot is programmed to be like a senior dev? What? I don't know that that's quite right. Okay, we'll do this as one commit. Upgrade to Discord Pi 2.0. And then we will do the donkers with GitHub Actions and GitHub packages and all that shenanigans. If your bot is programmed to be like a senior dev, would ask 10 questions on your PR and then approve it? Yeah. Yeah. What are you? Oh. Pigment CI. Yes. Okay. Merge. Alright, now we get to do GitHub Actions shenanigans. And we're gonna steal some Sentry code because that's the last place that I did this. I think that's the last place I did this. GitHub workflows. And it should be in... But I think I named them differently there. Yeah. This is the repo that I was thinking of. But I think I gave them separate image names. Yeah, we have two images here. It's failing. We're just gonna ignore that. Fuck, what was the other one I did? Snuba? You might want some heavy refactoring here, but looks good to me. Yeah. This is completely wrong. Ship it. Oh, no, it's here. Yes. This is very AWC wrote this code. Yes. Image.giml. Let's open it over here. Test me star. ARM and AMD. AWC video bot. Okay. It's gonna go with Docker, that's fine. I think the rest of this is copy paste. I shouldn't need to do anything special. And get some. Build a multi-arch Docker image. Git push origin herfst. Swiper no swiping. Hey, I own original. Well, I don't think that's actually how the IP rights work, but if you look at this file, 100% blames to me. So, yeah. Also, who the fuck cares? It's like it's a goddamn chatbot for Dixord. That's so cool. Wouldn't be possible with Stripe or Lift code. True. Yeah, it wouldn't be possible with Stripe or Lift code because I can't just yoink a private copy of Stripe or Lift code. Although it'd be so easy to walk away with a fucking thumb drive of either of them. But uh-oh, failure. The fuck? What the Okay, here's the actual useful error message. Target stage application could not be found. Okay, that's because the original Docker build was multi-stage. We don't need that. Man, what a useless ass error message that was. Did it say 85 gigs? Wait. Where did it say? Oh no. 856 bytes. OCI says have to dive? Yeah, we're using BuildKit, so technically it's building OCI images. Very good error message. None of this is useful. This is all just fucking nonsense garbage that no one fucking needs. I don't know why they did that, but you know, such is life. The other server says after quitting, hey Anthony, we noticed you cloned every repo in the org on your last day. What's up with that? So it's actually funny that you say this, the other server. The day before the Lyft layoffs. So I set up all repos at Lyft because I used it to do distributed refactoring, and since it was on GitHub, it was easy to set up. So I had an all repos set up. It might not have been the day before the layoffs. It might have been the week of the layoffs. But the week before, I was fixing a security issue in all of the Lyft repos. So I did literally clone every repo the day before, and some lawyer contacted me like 6 months after, and I was like, if you want to talk to me, my rate's $500 an hour, and they're like, okay, and then they never fucking paid me. But yeah, they were just like, so why did you clone these repos? And I was like, oh, because it was part of my job. I didn't yoink your source code. No, not that I would want Lyft source code. Fuck. Actually, that's not true. There's one file of Lyft source code that I would still want. That I'm sad that I lost. But I've already kind of implemented a better version of it, so I don't really need it. Hepta says, I wish I could use the terminal more. I'm so dependent on VS Code. I hate touching my mouse. I mean, just start use Babby. Then you're done. Easy, done. I'm almost positive someone has actually cloned repos for the code. Oh yeah, 100%. I wish, so there's like 3 files at Stripe that I wish I had, and there's 1 file at Lyft that I wish I had. I can mostly reproduce them from memory, so it's like not a big deal. I attempted a Terraform apply today, and it just said error apply failed. Nice. Nice. Okay. New build. Oh shit, it's green. Yo, that was fast. I'm a little suspicious. I mean, this does say ARM64. Damn. Okay. Alright, so in theory, we click merge. And it should produce an image. And while it's doing that, I'm gonna click on all these. So we get a little intermission to click the green button a bunch of times. Yes. Click, click, click button. Click button, receive bacon. I don't even know how that works. Then we need to zoom out so I can see button. Merge, merge. Oh, you're not done yet. You're not done yet either. I guess the zen of clicking merge button. I've heard of stories of repos getting deleted when someone gets fired. I mean, I definitely had enough permission to do that at Lyft. Not at Stripe though. Stripe, I was pleb. I had no powers, which is fine. I only needed them to do about half of my job, and so I was constantly blocked on having people that had worked there for 2 years more click buttons for me. Sure, it gave them some superiority complex, which, whatever. They can have, I don't give a shit. I just want them to go public so that my stocks are worth something. Although after their recent round of layoffs, I don't know that that's ever gonna happen. Cry. I wish I could clone the specific parts of repos where I did genius things under the influence of alcohol that I'm unable to replicate. Yeah. I know that feel. I know that feel. Why is there still an unread notification? Oh, it's not. It was just a phantom one. Okay, we should have packages. Oh, Pog? So now I should be able to apt sudo apt install podman. Oh, I forgot to put the entry point instruction. Shit. Might as well put the whole damn thing in here, right? Entry point. I don't know what your deal is. Init dash dash commands python 3 dash m xord bot um xord bot not main python dash actually yeah, but before we do that, let's just where's my, why didn't it make the latest tag? Or is it not done yet? Should have pushed latest, right? Yeah, what the fuck? Oh, I see. I was probably just on a cache thing. Okay, so in theory, I should be. Oh. In theory, we should be able to do podman pull this. Unauthorized. Oh, I gotta make it public. Shouldn't it be public by default? Oh god, what have I done? Not what I want. Packages, this, and then it's package settings. Oh, that's where it is. Change visibility to fucking A. Oh god. Why is that private? Fix that. Up here? Have you checked layouts at FYI? I have. Code Monkey JS. Hello, hello. How you doing? Code Monkey go to job. Code Monkey sit through boring meeting. Boring manager Rob. Rob say Code Monkey very diligent, but his output stink. Is code not functional or elegant? What do Code Monkey think? Code Monkey think maybe manager ought to write goddamn login page himself. Code Monkey not say it out loud. Code Monkey not crazy, just proud. Code Monkey like Cheetos. Code Monkey like Dab and Mountain Dew. Code Monkey very simple man with big warm fuzzy secret heart. And Code Monkey like you. Code Monkey like you a lot. Config Discord bot token. Plus. Why? Probably because bot is a dead symlink. Why is that a dead symlink? Oh, because we have to submodules. Yes. Yes, indeed. We forgot submodules. Fucking A. Submodules. Where's checkout? With submodules true? I don't remember. Add entry point and submodules. And entry point and submodules. I add Docker entry point and get submodule. Sure. Yes. Welcome to the stream, Fibibane, where the bot knows exactly what you want. Damn it! Now I have Code Monkey stuck in my head. It's such a good song, though. It's such a bop. There was a recently redone version of it too, which was very good if I remember correctly. Okay, new donkers. Also, the cool thing about these builds is they should now be cached. So it should pull these real quick, and then the build should be really quick. Yeah, it should just say cache. Yeah, look at this. 6-second Docker build. It'll even be fast on ARM. Yeah, 7-second Docker build. Have you ever seen an emulated Docker build that's 7 seconds? Whew. Zoom in. Fucking zoom in. Right, merge. Bibbinet says, I'll get a new keyboard for ergonomic typing, but I'll start coding again first. I mean, I don't know that one is a prerequisite for the other, but you do you. You do you. Which maybe it's just me, but anytime I hear someone say you do you, I just imagine them telling me to go fuck myself, which is not my intention. But that is what I think inside my head. Okay, we hopefully don't need any of these. Lime PH, hello. Welcome back. Sheepy, Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. That's a fair interpretation. Yeah. Then again, my brain's broken in different ways that are also maybe funny or not funny. Why did it log me out? That was weird. It should have just closed out a Podman. I don't know. Maybe I Control-D twice? Alright. Let's pull this new image. And in theory... Yo? Where'd my Discord window go? Yo? The donker, it work. Okay. All right. Cool. Very good. Oh my god, I have so many emails. Yeah, it's auto update day. And the person that called me on the phone. And get impactions failing once. Oh, and Yana's streaming. Cool. And anime girls holding programming books. My search history is fucked. Okay, so now we have Docker running. What's next? What's next on our list? Okay, so we have Docker. We don't need you. We've decided on Docker. Try arm ones. Yes, we're doing this. We did the cross build. Done. Automate this somehow. Systemd unit. That's the hard part. So the laziest thing that we can do is just leave this running. So this is the easiest thing that we can do today, which is to just run this in a tmux and tmux detach. And then I can automate it some other day, because I kind of want to go play Pokemon, because I'm 3 hours in the stream. That might be the easiest thing we can do. And then Shaz, you can turn off Heroku. What do I want? While true, do done. Surely that can't go wrong, right? And so then if it dies somehow, Podman, stop this. Then it should come back up. Could not retrieve exit code from event. Died not found. Unable to find event. Yeah, surely nothing's wrong there. Okay, but it looks like it runs now. You should be able to turn off Heroku now. I'll automate this better with Terraform later, but for now, at least it's running, and it in theory works. But this will prevent us from having double bots. But yeah, it works. I'm cheaping out on the rest of this, unless we want to try and do this, chat. Do we want to try and do some of this right now? Octavius, thank you for the resub at 21 months. Holy shit, good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Podman systemd unit file. Podman generate systemd. Sounds useful. I'm gonna generate a system table. Create a system to unit file. We use control, container, or pod. Okay. Seems maybe not bad. Hey, it only showed once. Nice, nice. Sweet. Doesn't really show that it runs command here, but trust. That's all it is. That environment variables. Yeah, I don't know what to do with this. Where's the like image? Surely there's an image in here, right? I guess we just run it and find out, right? Podman generate system D. What the fuck? It's so useless. That's so useless. It doesn't. So dumb. Kalish, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This is useless. This is so useless. This is the most useless system to unit I have ever seen. Yeah, I don't want to build a deploy system. Is there alternative compute in Oracle that's free? Oracle free tier. Because if there's like a Kubernetes type thing, like a Cloud Run, that would be great. So these are compute VMs. This is also compute VMs. Block storage, blah, 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 blah. Don't care about that. Databases, don't care, don't care. Is there like a Cloud Run? What the fuck is it called in AWS? Gonna head out, Marshall? Well, thank you for stopping by. What is it called in AWS? Fargate? Oracle equivalent of Fargate. EKS is slightly more complicated. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Container Engine. Oof. Free trial unavailable. Why is it cheaper to run a VM than it is to run a fucking container? Plastic beanstalk? Maybe. Oh, I gotta log in again. Damn it! Right, let me log in over here again. This is just my email address. You don't need to care about that. You already know it. Oracle. Copy and paste. Because if there's like a Cloud Run, what do you mean something went wrong? It just gave me a generic something went wrong error page. Man, I fucking love Oracle Cloud. So great. Oh, no, it worked. Containers. Shmeep shmop. Why is this not a thing? Or ECS, yeah. I'm currently doing DevOps at work. I don't know if that's quite right, quite what I would say. But I do work on developer experience, which you could sort of call DevOps. Although people don't like the D word at Sentry. Notably Kramer. Kramer just doesn't like the D word. Possibly Lightsail? Yeah, Lightsail, but oh my god, don't use Lightsail. Yeah, you're right. Raticide, hello. People actually use Oracle. I'm using it because it's free. That's literally why we're using it. Orlin, hello. You love the D word. I'm sure you do. I want compute, but I want container. Surely it should be easy. It should be cheaper for them to run containers than it should be for running a VM, right? Set up a free Minecraft server. I want to figure out all of their always free things. That's what I actually want. How is it free? Just is. Can you use it without a credit card? You do need a credit card, but they won't charge it. Have you used Minio as a local S3 drop-in? I have, but I used it back when it was really shitty. And it sucked. It sucked so much. Is this on the page that I was already on, Wolfred? Because I feel like this page is hard to read. Yeah, it's just this big blob of shit that I have to read through. Vladik, hello. I learned Python. I'm wondering if it's relevant to learn Django or not. Well, it depends if you're going to develop in Django or not. It's not helpful unless you need Django, but yeah. But I don't know. Learning a whoa, they have managed Terraform for free? That's kind of legit. That's actually really nice. That's pretty cool. I just don't want to have to configure a fucking VM to run a Docker container. I was hoping that Dockerizing would make this easier, but I feel like it's not. Well, it does make it easier because it's just pull and run, but I'll have to configure the thing to pull and run. Well, we can look at my other systemd units. Unit. Somewhere in here. Manuals are on there. Files. Systemd. Star not service. Okay. So we need. This is so stupid. And then this. We need environment somehow. Okay. This is not that bad. Manage Terraform is free on AWS too if you have an S3 bucket and a DynamoDB table. Yeah, but S3 buckets aren't free. So, yes, but no. So it's gonna fit in user data. Look. Oracle Cloud AMI free tier. Custom VM image cost. G Felitti, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. S3 free tier is 5 gigs unless you have 5 gigs. No, it's 5 gigs for 1 year if I remember correct. AWS free tier. Yeah. It's only free for 1 year. Whereas Oracle's is always free. Containers 4,500 hours of compute for managed Kubernetes and 500 gigs of storage for highly available Docker registry. Pay only for resources in your secure and isolated private cloud edition. That sounds useful. How many hours is this? How many hours in a month? Oh, actually, that's easy math. It's 3 times 30 times 24 is 246, 720. So yeah, well, 730 if you average month, but the 4,500 would be a lot. Wait, where did you find that CodeMonkey.js? Or the Endless River? Wait, where did you find this? Cloud free trial? Fuck. Glee says, is this Linux or Windows? Oh, I'm surprised that didn't trigger the bot. Really? I'm surprised that doesn't trigger the bot. Maybe the bot's dead? No. What OS is this? There we go. The answer is it's both. 100 cloud free trial credits? Damn. Okay, so we do actually have to systemd this. Custom images though. We'll check this out. The bare metal instances root disk. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Oh. Does it tell me how much this costs? Yeah, I know. I think this probably just leads me back to the original page. I don't actually want to make a custom image. Maybe I do. Blah. Shaz gotta run. Sounds good. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. Victor says, Anthony, could you explain server hosting solution for a startup app? She's AWS. It's probably the easiest thing to do. The pages mix between actually free things, trial free things, and not so free things. I'd love to see a proper table. Yeah. 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 I agree. I don't know what this page is on. What is this page? Okay, I'm gonna try Hacker Oracle. Seems like a thing, maybe. So in theory, we can see if it charges me money, right? That's how this works. I don't really want to build an image. What do we need? Podman, some unit files, and creds. I don't know how we're gonna get creds on the machine. We could bake the creds into the image. No, that's public. We can't do that. What are you hosting? Oh, you're talking to Victor. Okay, yeah. Yeah, you definitely don't care how Uber runs their infrastructure if you're trying to build your own app. You definitely don't want to run how Uber runs. Because their shit is a fucking dumpster fire that needs 1,000 engineers to make it sort of work, which is what most tech startups are at that size. You want to make your own app, like build something that's dead fucking simple. Your app is similar to Uber? Your app is not similar to Uber. Your app is not even an order of magnitude similar to Uber. Even if it provides similar functionality, your app is not anywhere close. Uber is millions and millions of lines of code and thousands of engineers to run it. And probably tens of thousands of machines to run it. You don't need anywhere near the complexity that Uber needs. No one does. Uber doesn't need nearly the complexity that Uber runs at. The first thing to do is build a self-hosted Kubernetes. You don't even need that. You probably don't even need Kubernetes. You can probably run fucking tmux and run, your app in a while true loop. This is probably good enough for... Oh, you can't see it because it's off screen. This is probably fucking good enough for your app. This is good enough for, like, I would say 99% of stuff. And the problem is people get stuck on, oh, I need to cloud run this and Fargate that and sysdinity that, and like fucking just get your app working and then optimize them for later. Like Precment CI would have been done maybe 4 or 5 months earlier if I didn't fuck around and do it all in Terraform and stuff. That said, after I did it in Terraform, there was some benefits there. But hey, Anthonk, I want to grep my code base. How do I set up distributed MapReduce? Oh my god. You joke. You joke, but we spent like millions of dollars at Yelp running distributed MapReduce on shit that you could just like literally jam together with SQLite on a single machine. But then there wouldn't be deploy prod please. Yeah, I mean Precment CI has a lot of cool stuff because I want to make content out of it. Would I have done it the same way? Probably. But did I need to do all that? No. Get your shit working. Get it out there. I only built it resilient because I knew it would be successful. I was cocky. I knew that I would want this indefinitely, and I knew I'd want to build another one of them, so... I don't know. Okay, fuck. I guess we try Packer? Let's see. Packer from Ubuntu, example, Oracle Cloud. Really, someone has done this on the internet. What? Why VirtualBox? Holy shit, what? I don't need VirtualBox. Some random dude's block from 2020? Yeah, that sounds fine. GG's is my test pass. Nice! GG. You said make it work, make it better, make it faster? Yeah. This is that so what I mean, this is for interviews and honestly for anything. Make it work, make the code readable, then make it fast. And then make it cheap is often the fourth one. Blah blah blah, I know what Pecker is. Just show me your fucking JSON. Why do you have a screenshot of code? I hate you. Cool. You've put your password in plain text. Love that. Very great. Hope that password isn't important. MDS Bendy says, GitHub action with runner inside your instance. I think I would just make an action to build the Packer image line. I hate when Twitch player times out and I get slapped with the pre-roll again. Yeah. Screenshot of the most salient code? Yeah, right. Okay, I no longer, well, I already didn't trust this guy's blog post because he took a fucking screenshot of his computer, but on to the next one. Ubuntu tutorial. AMI, yeah, this is gonna be Amazon specific. Damn it. Blap. Oracle Autonomous Linux. What does that mean? Blah, blah, blah. I know what Packer is. I like how they I like how they blurred out the SHA-256 of their key fingerprint. Like, my dude, and their username. Who gives a fuck? Oh my god, what the fuck? Why do they need all this shit in here? Dude. This person is like weird, like extra paranoid. They're starring out their host name and their instance ID. Who gives a shit? No one's gonna know. Also, we could retweet that little star there. Fucking medium. Okay, this doesn't seem useful either. Why are these all garbage? This author takes redaction very seriously. Yeah, or they're just so when you like over redact stuff, I just think you're stupid. Like they don't know what they're redacting. They're just like, oh, this personal information. Says the guy who mutes their stream. There's a very real reason to do that, Wee Tommy. There's a very real reason to do that. I don't, star out my host name. Oh, we're gonna do B star 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 2. Oh god, if you know I'm Ace Attila, no, we're A star 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 E. That's useless. There's no reason to do that. Whereas somebody could very easily recover my password audio from my stream audio. There's, at this point, what, fucking tens of thousands of hours of, let's see, achievements. How many hours have I streamed? That's watch hours. Watch hours, blah, blah, blah. At least 2,000. Does it tell me the actual number? Maybe I click on this? It doesn't tell me. Well, at least 2,000 hours of content. So, there's a lot of training data out there. Can't let the public know my computer is called Bubblebutt? Yeah. The streamer I never knew I wanted, Anthony roasting people's blog posts. Well, the problem is most blog content is a card. So, I'm not surprised there aren't examples for Oracle Cloud and Ubuntu, to be honest. So we might have to figure this out ourselves. All right. Let's try and figure this out ourselves. We have Packer, right? Packer.json. Let's start with our it's maybe that's fine. Okay, so we have builders. And they have names? No, they have types. Fine. Type Oracle-OCI. Oracle-OCI. And then what all do we need for this? Required configuration pattern. Oh my god, there's so much here. Availability domain. What? Oh god, these are fucked. I should copy paste it because otherwise I'm gonna type. Availability domain. I think that's like region in this. What do I think about Scarlet Violet? The game is fucking garbage. The graphics are terrible. The frame rate is terrible. It's extremely unpolished. That said, once you get past the tutorial, it's a lot of fun. And right now, all I can think about is getting far enough on this project that I can say, fuck this noise and go play Pokemon. They redacted the instance ID of a tournament, right? We have the same argument with the security team about private CA. We're not using private CA certificates because to even route to our service, it was required hacking in AWS itself. Yeah. Walker Code says, I'd pay Serious Babbies to have Anthony roast my blog. You could redeem the code review and I would roast your blog if you really want that. We could do that. Oh, as an alternative to providing base image OCAD. I think that's actually what we want. That way we can get the canonical image. Yes. We go back to the Oracle instances. We can probably get the information out of here. Key. Compatible shapes. No. Image capabilities? What? I just want to see the information of this. Not even a custom image, though. Here, we're gonna create an instance and look at the thing that it has here. Change the image. Okay, so canonical Ubuntu, I believe, is what operating system is going to be. And then operating system version is 2204. And then we probably need shape also. Which is what? Why did it pick AMD here? I wanted the Ampere. VM.standard.a1.flex. Okay, so we got that so far. Compartment OCID. I don't know what that means. I don't know what this means. Shape. Okay, that's the same thing that we have already. We know this already. Did it say that it defaulted this? Maybe I don't need to specify it here. Wait, if not specified, use the instance shape. Dope. I much preferred Legends Arceus. Yeah, Legends Arceus was so much more fun. Subnet OCID. What the fuck? This is not helpful. I feel like this is... Should just create one for me. I don't give a shit. That's what the AWS builder does. It just is like, cool, done. Authentication parameters. Each of the following configuration parameters is either mandatory or unacceptable. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, these are gonna be generated values. This isn't easy like AWS. You need to like actually know this shit up front. Okay, this is a dead end. How much can we shove into instance data? OCI, VM, image, Terraform. I don't think that's what. I don't think that's what we want to know. What the fuck is the instance type, or what is the Terraform for this? Man, that's the problem with working on Oracle is no one fucking knows what I'm doing. No one can help me. Boy. Dedicated? I don't want dedicated. Don't care about VMware. What is this instance called? Maybe I search instance. Why can't I collapse these? That app management, big data, data sources, compute instance agent. No, doesn't sound like it either. Oppa! I don't know what that is either. I'm scraping the bottom of a barrel here. Use Terraform to create a compute instance. This sounds like what we want. Blah, where's the fucking Terraform? Are you shitting me? Where's the goddamn Terraform? Hello? This is literally just how you make an SH key. Oh man, we haven't gotten followed about it in a while. It's a new one. Well, we'll turn this off and how do I do that? Wow, this literally hasn't happened in years. I am amazed. Anyway, welcome to the stream, shitty bots. Actually, let's fix this by clicking this button and Should be good again. See if we can replay one of them. Yeah, that one's a bot, but anyway, we're back. Yeah, I think I just got like 2,000 followers or some shit. But that's the way things go. This is literally clicking the console. This, I feel bamboozled. This, hello? Okay. We have started here. Got it. Scanned? Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. I just want the name. Oh, it's literally, it is OCI core instance. Okay, let's see what all we can specify here. Because in theory, if we can shove enough of this into Cloud.init, oh my god, there are so many settings here. Oh my god. User data. Provide your own base64 encoded data to be used by Cloud.init to run scripts or provide custom Cloud.init. We could do that. We could do that. We can just jam everything into Cloud.init. Okay, this is possible. This is doable. Oh, do I want to do it today though? No, I want to go play Pokemon. Okay, but we know what we need to do next time. We know what we need to do next time. We're not gonna do Packer. Terraform. Look at this, Anthony. Okay, I know what to do next time. Hack shit together with user data Cloud.init. And that should get us there. Not Jump says, how's OCI been treating you? By the way, I've been tempted to try it out. I'm gonna be very honest with you, Not Jump. All I have done is I have logged in and I have manually clicked through the console to create one image. I have SSH to this machine and run 120 commands. And then I have started a Docker container inside of Tmux. That is literally all I've done with Oracle Cloud. We also looked into maybe setting up Packer. It looked kind of complicated. And we're going to set up Terraform next time, and it also looks kind of complicated. But this shit's free, so I can't really complain. Can't really complain about it because it's free. Yeah, I do Terraform as well. I'm a big fan of Terraform. But the Oracle provider seems complicated to set up. Mostly because I think it's just enterprisey as fuck. So we're gonna do that in another stream. But yeah, this is lazy system D. This is a wild true loop and a Tmux pane, which is gonna be good enough for today. That's our if we need to look at it, we can Tmux A and be like, oh yep, bot's running, Tmux control BD. Good enough. But we're gonna probably set up Terraform and do it actually right with systemd and shit. So that'll have to do for today. But yeah, that's going to wrap us up. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So check those out. If you missed any part of the stream, you can catch that or previous streams at youtube.com/anthonywritescode-vods. How do you intend to update it on new releases? I'm just going to have a thing that spin loops and looks for a new image. And if it finds a new image, it'll just restart the system2 unit. At least that's the plan. Yes, anyway, second channel, which is where I put my stream VODs. That's youtube.com/anthonywritescode-VODs. I normally stream Monday evenings, Saturday at noon. I don't know if I'm going to stream this weekend because I might be doing family stuff, but I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is Twitter, one of those is Discord. Follow me in, well, I mean, Twitter's dying, so maybe don't follow me on Twitter, but join the Discord, come hang out with us. But yeah, we got a lot done this stream. Not Jump, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, that's going to wrap us up. Let's go find someone to raid.